Christmas decorations from eco-friendly materials is not only better for the environment, but it also adds a unique touch to your decor. Watch this video for some fun and creative ideas that you can try at home to make your holidays a little greener this year. A lot of the materials used here are branches and cones that we collected from outside, along with some frozen berries that I had in the freezer. I also used some fabrics that I found at home, and for the ornaments we found some burlap and these wooden shapes from the dollar store. You can color and draw on these pieces and get as creative as you like, and of course getting the kids involved is always fun. These wooden pieces didn't have any holes, so I carefully used a small screwdriver to make some holes, and then we cut some yarn and put them through the holes to hang them on the tree. Cranberries are festive, colorful, and fun to use or eat while you're making your decoration. Simply put a thread through them and make a knot, and then put them on a tree or any other areas for decor, or just use them loosely in any way you like. To make star or flower ornaments, we cut some burlap and fabrics into leaf shapes. Place the button on top, and then we sew the pieces together. Here's another idea on how to use some branches, cones, and cranberries to make a cozy candle tray. For the wall decor, I'm using some sticks and branches found from outside. Arrange the sticks into pyramid shapes. Space them equally, for example, your hand width. Now we're using some metal wire, which I also got from a dollar store. Take the metal wire string and run the wire straight and go through the sticks. Start at the bottom. Wrap the wire a few times around the first stick and tighten it to secure it. Then loop and fasten the wire around each of the sticks. Check to see if your sticks are still evenly spaced out. Create a loop to be able to hang it on the wall. Make it nice and tight. Also check to see if the wire is the same length on both sides of the loop. And then do the same thing for the other side. We are using some micro LED lights. I've seen them in dollar stores and also in some grocery stores. Place the light box in the corner of the first stick and wrap it a few times with a wire to hold it in place. Wrap the lights along the edges of the sticks to make it look like a Christmas tree. Take it over the loop and do the same thing on the other side. And go around another time if you have extra parts. Use any kind of ornaments such as branches and cones and spread them around as you like. Either put them in the existing loops that you already have, or use extra wires to wrap them with. To cut the wire, just twist it a few times and it will break. We can hide the light box by wrapping some extra branches around it. And that's it, now it's ready to go on the wall. Thank you for watching. I hope you have some fun creating your own eco-friendly decor this year. And don't forget to subscribe to watch the upcoming videos. Happy holidays!